Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today I would like to explain about the executive summary for the WATAN pool project, which is for the first is objective to construct or reconstruct and beautify the swimming pool at Danau UKM, and the next is the scope of the pool construction project includes various activity including the feasibility study and site analysis to determine suitability of proposed location, and the timeline includes various stages such
Title of the proposal: to reconstruct and beautify swimming pool at Danau UKM. Objective of the proposal: to attract more students to come and learn swimming at UKM. Other than that, generate more income for the university. Aim of the proposal is because of the lack of facilities such as driving boards and others. The location of the project is at swimming pool Danau UKM.
UKM always want to keep their students healthy, so swimming is one of the best ways to maintain our health. The current Danau swimming pool is in need of major repair. It is also not well maintained, so our project is to rebuild a new pool.
For organization, we have Muhammad Ikhwan Hanas taking the lead as project manager, followed by Iziana Shuhada as marketing manager and Abdul Rawi as HR and communication manager. Two other managers are Muhammad Haikal as procurement manager and Nur Akila Shazrin as fundraising manager.
Mission of Project WATAN Pool is definitely to gain attention and support. Facilities will be enough for all and guaranteed in its best condition. Vision of Project WATAN Pool is to enable a new hobby for students to unwind themselves during break time. We want to make swimming an affordable hobby again, saves money, and the distance is very near too.
Next, for the scope and content, which is a feasibility study is undertaken to analyse the practicality and viability of building of swimming pool at the chosen location. For the scope and content, we need to know 4 things, which is for the first one is the design and planning, which is for this project, we need to contribute a lot with the architect, civil engineer, contractor, and also for the design pool designer. And next, which is the permits and approval, which is we need to get the approval or permits from the authorities, the local authorities, which is for this case is MPK.
For SWOT analysis, we analyze our strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat for the project in order to maintain our project quality. We also identify some issues that arise for this project, for example, regulatory compliance, materials availability, limitation in terms of financial and resource constraints, which may impact the project efficiency. The deliverables for this project are project design concept, project schedule, construction, quality assurance and quality control, final inspection, post-construction maintenance, and closure report.
We have 3 characteristics for technical requirements, which are first, technical standard, second, technical issues, and third, technical component.
Limit and exclusions we can define as boundary of the project, stating what is not included and what is not covered over the life of the project and at the end of the project implementation.
Our potential users are athletes, staffs, students, and outsiders. This project solves the problem by reconstructing the pool with new attractive design, new devices, and Olympic standards. This project can potentially attract more users outside of UKM and reduce maintenance costs.
Market need are targeted to any academic collaborator or student who wants to learn swimming professionally. For market research, first, open-ended questionnaires from the customer. Second is get specific feedback from the regular customer.
Suppliers are selected with the best quality over value. Suppliers with most expertise and experience are generally chosen. This project requires several construction professionals, such as project manager, engineers, and architects.
For the finance, there are 5 types of costs that we consider in this project. First is raw materials cost, labor cost, maintenance cost, utility cost, and transportation cost. So, from this project, the total cost estimation is 312,078 ringgit and 75 cents.
Project WATAN pool takes about 5 months to complete. The first month is where all drawings were finalized between the contractor and owner. We also waited for MPKG's approval and permit to start. Second month is where the process of digging pool started and the base was established. By the third month, steel reinforcement for the pool was constructed and completing started. By the fourth month, the construction of facilities started, even landscaping too. On the very last month was the finishing process and pool is now open to public. I will not go through one by one, but this is how our WBS looks like.
The project generally starts with design, then construction, and lastly closure. During construction, trenching needs to be done first. Then structural and M&E activities can be done in parallel. Lastly is decorative, such as landscaping.
Alright, so next I would like to explain about the Gantt chart, which is for the Gantt chart we can see that the project is begin at 1 June and ends at 30th of November. So in the Gantt chart we can see the description, which is explain about the activities. We have planning phase and the construction phase and also the documentation phase. So all the things about the process of this construction of the project is shown in the. Alright, next is the table of the manpower that required for the WATAN project, which is in this table we can see how many manpower we need to prepare for the project, which is we have project manager, civil engineer, electrical engineer, contractor workers, and the architect that will contribute a lot with the construction preparation and also the construction works itself.
We have 5 risk identification. First one would be inadequate of budget. Second, environment factor, while the third is quality of performance. The last 2 are equipment malfunction and time management.
Alright, so next is the mitigation plan, which is for the mitigation plan, we have 5 things we need to look at for in this project, which is for the first one is poor time management, which is we need to report needs to be submitted within due, and the next is the equipment malfunction, which is the equipment need to change from a contractor. The next is environment and safety, which is the condition in the storage area needs to be.
Expected impacts and benefits for economy. The construction process can create job opportunity and support the local construction industry. For health and wellness, swimming offers numerous physical and mental health benefits. For safety, to help prevent accidents and ensure the well-being of swimmers. For accessibility, make the swimming pool center more exclusive for people with disabilities.
In order to claim our copyright for our logo, branding related to the project, pictures and prototypes, we need to apply with Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia. To achieve our goals and aims for this project, we need to get the permits and license from local authorities, following standard specification about construction and engineering, applying safe working plan, and conducting survey to get customer review and satisfaction about our project.